Hi, this is Mickey at Sound Harley-Davidson, a Platinum Bar and Shield award-winning dealership in Marysville, Washington, with another fantastic Harley-Davidson for your viewing pleasure. Today you're looking at a Harley-Davidson 2017 Street 500. This model comes in vivid black. You can see as I get a little closer, nice badging on the tank as well. This model features a liquid-cooled Revolution X engine, 5-speed transmission, slightly forward mid-mounted controls, blacked out engine, with a teardrop fuel tank, nice super low height, 2-up seat, LED tail light. You got the bullet style turn signals. Very nice looking bike. Very light to push around too. Here I have to move it on your own manually. It really is a very light bike. With the black cafe style speed screen, as I mentioned, the bullet turn signals, narrow front wheel, pull back black handlebar, nice extended style mirrors in black. You can see pretty much everything behind you. Very nice, as I mentioned earlier, slightly forward mid-mounted controls. Nice black spoked wheels. Your 2-in-1 black exhaust. Good looking bike, ladies and gentlemen. Harley-Davidson 2017 Street 500 featuring the liquid-cooled Revolution X engine. Very nice. As always, we offer great financing. For more information on this model or any other Harley-Davidson model, you could see us at